Hey guys, today I want to take a look at and show you guys these metal clamps that were sent out to me for review. I am not technically a woodworker, but I do a lot of laser engraving as well as laser cutting. And sometimes I am working with relatively thick wood like these 2x8s that you guys see right here. So being able to clamp these together and, produce like a squared off piece of wood that I'd be able to work with really comes in handy. As you guys can see how these clamps are holding these two pieces of wood together here. So let me show you exactly what you get. These are all metal clamps and they are completely adjustable. So you can adjust this, say for instance, if you wanted to something as thin as, I don't know, a really small piece of wood, this would work with those as well. Probably not a perfect example, but even something as thin as this little piece of wood right here, you could hold with these clamps, okay? It's gonna hold it really tight. So if you're doing like some craft work and you need to be able to hold these pieces so that you can glue them or Dremel them or drill holes in them and things like that, that's where, something like these clamps really come into play. Now, what I like about them is that they can also be permanently attached to your workstation. So you have these little holes right here that are pre-drilled on these, and you can actually use some screws to drill these into a work area that you're going to be working from. Like if you have your own personal work table or something like that at a corner, this would be ideal for that. Now you get 4 of these in the kit, so it comes with 4, and as you guys can see here, very well built. You have this little wrenching mechanism here that kind of reminds me like of a little mini screwdriver, but I'm going to undo this one just to show you guys what it's like. So as I rotate this, you guys can see this little lever right here is raising, and to tighten it, once I have it squared where I want it, I could just rotate this down just to hold it in place. No different than the clamps that you would see in some big wood shops, machine shops. It's going to give you a lot of that same flexibility. And for most wood, even wood this heavy, you don't need, super torque devices to hold them together. So if I wanted to glue this or screw, some anchor screws in here, this would be ideal for that. And like I said, the way these are designed, guys, they are super strong. They're very flat, all metal construction. So it really just depends on your specific project as to how you would utilize these. Now, in my case, like I said before, I do a lot of laser engraving and cutting and things like that. So for me, these have been a very, very good tool, for my workflow. If you guys are doing some woodwork and you would like some metal clamps, these could be exactly what you're looking for, guys. These things are really, really well built. Most important thing about these guys is that they are very lightweight. They weigh only a few pounds. You'll be able to mount them on a desk and use them. Throw these in a bag, guys. Have these in your workshop, your man cave, your she shed, wherever it is that you do your projects. These are really going to come in handy. All right, guys, I just wanted to open this box and show you guys these really quick. Like I said, I think these are outstanding for most of our workflows, that don't have a, official wood shop. If we're just starting off and we're just getting started, this is going to be an excellent device for a lot of us. Everything that I'm doing wood related, where I have to clamp something, these things are straight up fire. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.